Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macagbo. I hope all is well. You guys are doing well this holiday. So today's topic, I just want to share with you how to make your chili sauce, or you can make paste to use it to season your fish, your meat. You can use it to eat anything like so, and then you can use it to cook any choice of your food, guys. These are the chilies. I'll be using the sweet chili and then the Jamaican chili, but it's not that hot these days, guys. You go ahead and wash it, and then you add onions, red onions, white onions, garlic, ginger, lake, just this add all the flavors into this chili sauce I'm about to make. Yes, these chilies are not hot at all, guys. They're really not hot. So you can go ahead now and blend your mixture. You can use chopper blender or the smooth blender, whatever consistencies you need. You can just go ahead and use that blender. So I like mine like this because of the vegetable these days is full with water. I didn't want to add more water because I don't want it watery. So this is why I use the chopper blender. These are my other ingredients I'll be using: 2 Maggi cube and then 1 chicken Maggi cube, dry prawns, my mixed seasonings, and then dry fish powder. These are all what I will be incorporating to make this delicious chili sauce, guys. You can use any kind of oil, vegetable oil, whatever resonates with you. Once the oil is heat up to 200 degree, you go ahead and add all the blend mixture chili. Once you add it, and then you stir, leave the heat high for 5 to 10 minutes. So once the heat up a bit, then you go ahead and add the other seasonings, the dry prawns powder, and then the Maggi cube, and then the dry fish powder. This adds so much flavor to this. And my mixed seasoning powder, I'm just going with 2 spoons. I'm going to put the measurement down the description below, guys, because it's a short video. Then if you want it hot, you go with the black pepper. You may use white pepper or black pepper. So I'm going with black pepper. My white pepper is finished. So I'm going with 2 big spoons there. Yeah, because I really want my hot. So I'm adding that. If you don't want yours hot, you don't have to add black pepper. You can just leave it like that. Yes. So I'm making a large portion of chili sauce there, so that way I'm using more oil. So I've just add another 100 ml. All in total, the oil I use is 200 ml. You stir again, then once you stir, then you just go ahead and put the lid on. It cooks really fast because this I didn't add any water, so I just left it for 20 minutes to cook. Then that was it, it's ready. The color changes like that because of the black pepper and the dry prawns and dry fish powder. It's just to add that flavor, guys. When you're using it to cook something else, it's so good. It releases so much flavor, guys. It's really good. So because I want mine hot, like I said, I add the black chili. Once your chili sauce is cooked very well like so, let it dry. Let the water dry very well. Yes, guys, then you use clean bowl, storage, or a jar like so. Let it be sterilized very well. Then you go ahead and add your chili sauce in it. Yes, once it's cold, you can go ahead and put it inside the fridge, guys. Yes. So all these amounts I use is lots: 3 kgs of chili, half onions, and then half garlic and ginger, then the lake, then what else? Then the sweet pepper. I just use the small amount, which I'm going to write down the description below, guys, so you can check it down. Once the chili sauce is into the jar or the bowl like so, leave it to cool down very well before you close the lid on, because that way the steam will cause more water. So once it's cooled down like so, you can go ahead now and start using it. Then put it in the fridge or the freezer if you make lot of jar. So as you can see, I'm having it now with rice. You can have it with chicken, you can have it with your soya, you can have it with your roast meat, anything whatsoever, guys. See you soon. I hope to catch you soon.